Hello developers. Today I am starting a session which is more important question of interview. So let's start. A session actually start when a visitor requests your site for the first time. That means a new session start when the request does not contain any session ID or the session ID reference an expired session. It means when client is login website first time, then session will be generated. And my next topic is session maintained. How can we maintain a session? When a web app is requested for the first time, the server creates a session ID and save it in the cookie of the client browser. And that means when a client uh, when a client login first time to our web app, uh, then a session is created and it's saved then it's saved in cookies and also in the client browser. And our next topic is action result. There are many types of action result. Let's see: view, partial view, content, empty, JSON, redirect to root file. These are the action results. And our next topic. Next topic is session abandoned versus clear. Uh, so session abandoned. Session abandoned destroy the current session by firing a session end event. It release the session state object and its item to free the resource. Other words, we say session clear. Just clears the session data, gives a null value to the session without killing it. It still hold the session state and resources associated with it. That means session abandoned uh, destroy the current session, but session clear, it cannot destroy. It only clear the session values. So this is session abandoned and session clear. We move next topic: store procedure versus function. This is the most important question of interviews. A store procedure can return zero, single or multiple values, but a function must return a single value. Next word, a store procedure can have both input and output parameters, where function can have only input parameters. And also function allow only a select command, whereas store procedure allows select and other DML commands like insert, update, delete. Next we move late binding. Late binding is a mechanism where the method or function to be executed is determined at runtime instead of compile time. In simple word, late binding means the decision about which method to call is made while the program is running. Let's see code. Firstly, we make a class which name is animal. Then we make a method public virtual void speak. Then we console.write line, and we are writing animal speak. Then also we make next class. Next class name is dog. And previous class animal is inherited in dog class. Through this, we are override the same method speak on the different text. Let's see. And we making the object of animal class equal to new dog. Then we obj.speak call. Then what is the output? Please comment the output. The output is, and next is early binding. Early binding is when the method or function to be called is decided at compile time before the program run. In easy language, early binding means the program already knows which method will run before execution starts. It is faster than the late binding because everything is fixed during compilation. This is our early binding and late binding. Then we move to the next topic is sealed. A class cannot be inherited. No other class can derive from it. Sealed class cannot be inherited. Let's let's see. We make a sealed class animal name, then a public void sound console dot write line animal. This class cannot be inherited. Sealed class cannot be inherited. Then we move next. Static class. The class or member belongs to the class itself, not to an object. Let's see the code. Firstly, we make a static class math helper. Then we make a public static int add int a and int b. Then return a plus b. Uh, Return value a plus b. Int request equal math helper dot add. We call add function 5 comma 3. Then we see the difference of sealed and static. There is a main point. A shield is stop inheritance, but static stop object creation. And sealed object can be created. Sealed class can be create object, but a static cannot be created object. And a sealed class can contain normal